Hi, hello, welcome back to the Marine Traveler. In this video, we will see what is marine radar. So we'll go directly to the video.
What is marine radar? Radio detection and ranging is used to detect objects and their position relative to your current location. It works by sending out a radio signal. When the signal hits an object, it gets reflected back to the radar and gives you bearing and distance and speed of the object. There are two types of radar: X-band or S-band radars. S-band radar generates wavelengths of 10 cm to 24 GHz, and X-band radar generates wavelengths of 3 cm 8 to 12 GHz. In radar there is a feature called ARPA, Automatic Radar Plotting. ARPA can calculate the tracked object's course, speed and closest point of approach CPA, time of CPA to CPA, thereby knowing if there is a danger of collision with the other ship or land mass. Onboard ship's radar is an anti-collision tool.
We will come up with more marine related videos. Till then, signing off, the Marine Traveler.